Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Sanibonani ma-Africans, sanibonani South Africa, sanibonani nonke emazweni. Ngisacela abantu abazoyibuka le video nidlulise iziyofika kumongameli uZuma. Yebo, sifike futhi nasendlebeni ze-DA. Iziyofika futhi kuphakela. Iziyofika le video futhi kuJacinta. Iziyofika futhi le video kungizwe. Bafowethu lento eniyenza ihongo. Kakhulu umuntu engimblema uZuma because uwena baba wekhehla ongayihloniphi, uwena osupply labantu, osupporta ongizwe, ophakela, oJacinta ukuthi bahamba bayenze lama march and march othi kuhlonyezwa abantu bokufika. Angale yebo nithi nifuna ukulungisa izwe kodwa ngendlela eniyenza ngayo cha bafethu. Umuntu onamaphepha muyekeleni lento eniyenzayo nina nifuna ukuchitha igazi ngento unnecessary. Baba Zuma wekhehla Zuma uphuma ku-ANC wakhuliswe ANC ngoba ugreed ngokuthi ugreed selfish baba wawu president ku-ANC wayeka kwa usaphela isikhathi sakho wabuye wazovula iparty yakho MK. Ubugreed lo ubugreed mawuqeda namhlanje ANC awusayihloniphi anisayihloniphi ANC sudibene ne-DA ukuthi niyenza lamanyala niwenzayo uyenza lento uyenzayo unenqondo ebhedayo Baba Zuma ifani nawo lento uyenzayo umdala mongaka ngesikhathi Baba Zuma uhlunyezwa amabhunu egoli uyabaleka uyohlala eMozambique yakhumbula eMatola waze wathola ingane khona angiyekho ngisho noyedwa ukuhlukumezile baba uye wayisukela ngesikhathi sakho esiright wabuyela kuphi eSouth Africa. Namhlanje masubona umuntu waseMozambique umbona njengesitha. Umuntu waseMozambique akusona isitha sakho Baba Zuma. Mobona abantu bokufika kuwe bayisitha. UDuduzane Zuma wena nje umzalele kuphi? Into oqala ngoba umzalele eMaputo. Mawuqeda lapho kuyena futhi wayogana ingane yase Dubai. Washada eDubai lo mfana uDuduzane wabe nengane wathatha umfazi waseDubai. Ubani omhlukumezile ngoba naye bekuyiforeigner ngale. Hayi man yazi lento eniyenza Baba Zuma man umdala man. Yabona before uact kumele uhlale phansi ucabange uthi lento ufuna ukuyenza iright or right. Baningi abantu abalapho abantu bokufika abanento zabo abangamusheli umuntu abayisebenzelayo khona manje kumele abantu balahlekelwe into zabo ukuthi wena unenhlizembe Baba Zuma unenhlizembe ugreed selfish awubafuna abantu bokufika lento akusinto namhlanje and uyakhona ukuphuma kuba camera uyikhulume le nto uthi ukhona abafazi abaphucela izinto ngabantu bokufika bapha abantu abaphucela izinto ngabantu bokufika. Hayi Baba Zuma badala before uact kumele ucabange before you must think first ukuthi lento ofuna ukuyiact ofuna ukuyenza izoba right na ninciphisa umnotho emateksini amateksi hamba empty komuntu eteksini abantu bazodlela imoto beside nabantu bamashop nabantu bana man please ayifani nayo kufanele lento yenzayo umuntu okwakho upresident namhlanje sobuzo wenza kanje njengoba uyenza wena. Hayi Baba Zuma man inhlizembe ubani ongavotela uphakela uphakela bo president wami ukhohlisa abantu uphakela zo president kusho bani yazimara hayi wrong lento yenzayo Baba Zuma nawe wewacasha emazweni abantu nihlunyezwa amabhunu wena mara wena uzanga wahlunyezwa wena kwekwathuleka tu bakuphatha kahle. Why wena ungakwazi ukuphatha kahle abanye abantu? Uyikhehlele njani? Uyikhehlele njani? Wawubhayizisa ANC because wena uphuma phansi kwa ANC. Lento enzayo wena ne-DA njengoba nihlangene ne-DA nifuna ukubhayizisa ANC. Nayibhayizise ANC. Kuba ngathi ANC useless kanti abantu aba-useless yini? Ukhuliswe yi-ANC, isebenze ANC, yenzela abantu i-ANC ama-South African ama-RDP. Njengoba namhlanje abantu basahola ama-grandi nani ANC. Manamhlanje wena ANC uyayibhayiza niyayinyela ANC nena ne-DA. Uhlenge ne-DA ukusa nje kuphela. Idlulisele le video ifika kuso leso silima sekhehla. Hawu.
Guys, yini ndaba inkulumo ingaqondi ngempela? Yini ndaba inkulumo ingaqondi guys? Kungani nithi abantu bangaphandle abantu bokufika yibona abadayisa ama-drugs? Yini ndaba ningakhulumi ningabeki inkulumo iqonde nje ibe straight? Yini ndaba imash and mash ingenzi into eqondile, into straight? Uma ukuthi imash and mash imasha ngenxa yokuthi kukhona abantu bokufika la South Africa abadayisa ama-drugs. Imash and mash ayiqonde emafletini, ifike emafletini ixoshe ama-Nigerians. Siyazi ukuthi ama-Nigerians iwona awasupplier ama-drugs. Ama-Nigerians awadayiseli iy'ngane zenu ama-drugs. Ama-Nigerians awadayiseli izingane zenu ama-drugs. Ngisaphinda futhi, ama-Nigerians awadayiseli izingane zenu ama-drugs. Abantu abadayisela izingane zenu ama-drugs abantu bala eSouth Africa. Niyakwazi lokho. Ama-Nigerians ayabasupplier, bona baya-order bayawadayisa la elokishini. Angikhumbuli mina ngibona i-Nigerian lifika la elokishini lizodayisa ama-drugs. Niyayazi nina le mizi le eyakhiwe eyithabathaba okuthiwa la ungalingi nje uvula umlomo ngale ndawo le. Niyabazi futhi niyabavikela. Niyazi nibona ngisho amaphoyisa efika njalo ekuseni eyokholektha iy'mali. Niyakwazi lokho. Sesingakufihla nje sikufihle kodwa iqiniso niyalazi. Angikhumbuli ngibona umuntu waseNigeria ezongena elokishini adayisa ama-drugs. Angeke ngikhulume ngalawo amanye ama-African countries because angaze ngibabone bedayisa ama-drugs. Angaze ngibabone futhi ngifuna ukuthini, ngifuna ukuthi impilo yabo ngiyayiqonda. Uma bela eSouth Africa mostly basuke besebenza. Abantu baseMozambique uzobathola emakontrakini, abantu baseMozambique uzobathola bebedayisa amatamatisi nemimopo kanjalo nabantu baseZimbabwe. Abantu engiba-understandayo ukuthi bazozama la eSouth Africa. But abantu abadayisa ama-drugs niyabazi. Bahlala emafletini, ayiqondakala impilo yabo. Angikhumbuli ngibona i-Nigerian lisebenza, angikhumbuli ngibona i-Nigerian li-strugglishe. I-Nigerian nje siwathola emile nje phambi kwama-flat laphana exoxeka. Angikhumbuli nje esebenza. So futhi angikhumbuli futhi ngiwabona edayisa ama-drugs. So okusho ukuthi labantu ibona abasupplyayo. Abantu abadayisa ama-drugs engibaziyo engibabonayo. Ezwani ngithi engibaziyo ngenza iphutha, hayi angibazi. Akubazi. Abantu abadayisa ama-drugs ama-South Africans angiwazi kodwa. Abantu abadayisa ama-drugs ama-South Africans. Abantu abasupplyayo ama-Nigerians sonke siyawazi lokho. For sure nani ningaba nami mhlawumbe sekuthiwa ngempela mhlawumbe ngibushiwe kumele ngiyifakazele leyo ndaba. Abantu abasupplyayo ama-Nigerians. Yingakho nangesikhathi ukuseshwa lapha ePoint kwatholakala inqwaba yama-drugs okusho ukuthi bona bayama-supplier, yabo, abawadayisa. Angikhumbuli ngibona i-Nigerian idayisa ama-drugs. Abantu abadayisa ama-drugs abantu bala phakathi elokishini abaphila nathi bala eSouth Africa, ngoba ngikhumbuli kuwumuntu wangaphandle. Angikhumbuli ngibona umuntu wangaphandle edayisa ama-drugs edayisela umuntu noma mhlawumbe ephethe ama-drugs. Angikhumbuli.
This man right here is calling out Jacinta Ngizwe, Nophakela Mthakathi, and also Jacob Zuma to say he's actually directing this message to Jacob Zuma to say, please let this message get to these people, to these leaders, right? And he's calling Jacob Zuma, reminding him that remember when when things were bad in South Africa for you, you ran away and went to Mozambique. But that said, they never attacked you. They never did anything bad to you. They actually welcomed you with warm hands, and you ended up having a child that side. Which for me, I feel like, guys, we can fight all we want, but truly speaking, the fight is not about foreigners. That's just one thing that I've picked up. It's about power. It's about like, I don't know how to put this, but it's not about foreigners. Unfortunately, these South Africans are just, because obviously we know that all of us, we are frustrated, we are angry. The economy is bad, like everything is just bad. Unemployment rate high, like, high crime rate. Got all of those bad things you can think about are happening in South Africa. So obvious, we are all frustrated and we are directing that anger towards the wrong group, right? Because I don't think Jacob Zuma will do something like that if for sure he went that side, which we know he went that side. I really don't think so. I don't think so. We saw even Gayton McKenzie, he came out and he was against these marches, but he also did the very same thing. It's like a pattern. Like, you know, this thing has been happening for the longest time. We just have to get used to it and understand. No, it's not about foreigners. It's deeper than that. But anyway, please say your thoughts down below in the comment section. And this other one is talking about the issue that we are facing in South Africa, which is like some drugs, right? And I feel like he's telling the truth. He's 100% telling the truth, because you can never see a Nigerian going around taking some drugs to locals, or I've never seen Nigerians like doing that. Yes, like it's just actually coming to my mind right now as he's raising these points. Oh, for sure, I've never seen a Nigerian going around selling these things. Normally, it is being sold by locals, which are South Africans. Yes, that's the truth. And guys, as I said, this is not about foreigners. It's deeper than that. But anyway, say your thoughts down below in the comment section.